We need to speed up the main conveyor. Already on it, boss.
The bones are softening ahead of schedule. The VT catalyst is working. Confirmed. The structure is degrading perfectly.
Okay, lowering the basket now. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. Levels look stable. The demineralization process is active. Check the intake pressure. Looks good. Maintaining speed. Keep the flow steady on line 3. We're almost at capacity. Copy that. Adjusting the feed now. Check the intake pressure. Looks good. Maintaining speed. Keep an eye out for any heads. They're only supposed to send the long bones. Roger that. All clear so far. Check the consistency on line 2. We're seeing too many fines coming through.
The sensor caught that last batch.
Good. Recirculation sequence initiated. The VT system is running smoothly.
The flow rate is increasing on line 3. I see it. Adjusting the intake valve now.
The flow rate seems consistent. Yeah, the pH levels are stable right now. It's holding steady right at 60 degrees. Yeah, okay, I'm adjusting the flow now.
The rotation is stable now. Log the current humidity levels and check the condensation runoff.
It's holding steady at 500. All right, I've logged the measurement.
As you can see, the concentrate is flowing smoothly. We monitor the levels closely to ensure perfect consistency before the VT stabilization process.
The temperature is holding steady at 120. Good. The viscosity looks perfect for the batch yield.
Keep an eye on the gauge right there. Got it, looks consistent. All right, adjusting the dial now. Look at that viscosity, it's coming out perfectly smooth today. Yeah, the new settings are definitely working. I'll log this batch.
The viscosity on this run is perfect.
Yeah, the clarity is exactly what we needed.
Flow rate looks stable at 500 liters per hour. Confirmed. The viscosity is optimal. We are cleared for phase 2 heating.
The gauge is steady. I'm going to adjust the valve on the first effect. Perfect. The pressure is holding exactly where we need it.
Slowly open the valve to initiate the first effect. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. Pressure is holding steady at the low limit. Looks good.
The gauge is reading high. We need to regulate the steam input. All right, I'll adjust the main valve. Looks stable now. This is the final stage of evaporation. The gelatin is now highly viscous, ensuring its quality before it moves on to the drying phase. The pressure held steady at 10 to the -9. Good.
The third effect seems stable now. Log the temperature readings every 5 minutes. The pressure held steady at 10 to the minus 9. Good. The third effect seems stable now. Log the temperature readings every 5 minutes.
Look at that, exactly 50% solids. The concentration is perfect for this batch.
Are we seeing too much buildup on the drum there? No, it's within tolerance. The flow rate is optimized now. Look at that perfect amber color as it sets. Now watch closely as I press the surface. See the jiggle?
The gelatin viscosity is perfect. We can maintain this pace. Good. The transfer is running smoothly.
Careful with that one, it's sticking a bit. I got it. These new sheets are much better than the last shipment.
Here is the latest sample. Thank you. I will take this to the lab. The separation looks efficient today. Yes, the calibration worked perfectly. Very clean powder.
We are screening the bone powder now. Notice the fine particles separating.
Ensuring the level is consistent for quality control.
Sample collected for quality assurance. Transferring to lab for analysis.
We use the spatula to gently transfer the sample. Now, we introduce the powder to the analyzer to measure the particle distribution.
The current bloom value is displayed here. We are analyzing the data stream now to ensure it meets the VT specifications.
Stirring complete at 4 minutes.
Noted. The transparency is excellent.
The penetration force is stable. We are seeing minimal tearing at the surface.
Confirmed. The data looks good for the VT200 model.
Carefully transferring the gelatin powder now. And placing the sample on the digital balance to get the precise weight.
I'm tapping the line here. Check the gauge reading. It's holding steady at 50 psi.
Listen to that precision. The laser applies the date code, MFG 2026, EXP 2029, crisply etched onto the surface.
Everything looks good on this run. All right, let's keep the pace.
Make sure it's exactly 25.
It's calibrated. 25 kilograms confirmed.
Is the batch code clear? It's A7B9.
Yes, looks good. Proceed with the shipment.
The gelatin concentrate is holding steady at 50%. Noted. Valve seems secure now.
We are approaching the target weight now, and that is exactly 25.00 kilograms.
Approved batch certificate for release. The quality is perfect.
At VT Logistics, we ensure every package is sealed with precision and care, ready for transit.
We start at the base, overlapping by 50% to ensure stability. We work our way up, keeping the tension tight and secure.
Gently lower the jack now. Perfect. Now scan the top left box first. Gently lower the jack now. Perfect. Now scan the top left box first.